Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in New CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to add Facebook admin or editor in our Facebook page. Okay, first open your Facebook, then just open the page you want to add admin or editor. Click setting in here. Okay, now go to pick roles like this. Now you can assign a new pick role. If you want to make admin, you can just type admin here. But keep in mind, if admin is have same permission with you, so the newer admin can delete your account. If you choose editor, it will can send post or anything in your Facebook page. For example, I type this people. I type a new name for editor. Just click add in here. I want to type my Facebook password. Okay, you can see now we have two big roles here, admin and editor. That's all tutorial how we can add admin or editor in our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and bye bye.